Hi guys, so just keeping you guys up to date what's happening with the kitchen. I've removed all these cabinets after this fire that happened here. I have to still paint the ceiling as well. Give it a good undercoat. I bought some paint from the hardware store. Also, by the way, I went to get myself one of these babies. Mine seemed to have something wrong with mine, so I bought this one. So not a lot of money. Anyway, the fire started over here and spread upwards. All these covers were completely black. It was washed off, so if you look at them, there's actually residue of black. This way it's burnt on the inside. That is not just smoke, it's actually burnt. The rest of these covers were all burnt. So I'm removing all of them. Right around, we washed them off, but still just can't get them clean. Alright, so the setup's gonna be like this. In this corner is gonna be the hob in the oven. This is supposed to be, it could be a pantry, but it's just perfect for us. For this idea of having the stove in the oven on that side and the extractor fan on top. We'll have some cabins this side. Got a very interesting idea where these walls, I'm gonna remove it and the tiles and then just paint it for now, and then I will have some interesting tile show and put them there. Yeah, the floors, we'll see. We found a perfect tile, so we'll have to probably go buy them and get someone out to do that job for us as well. But this is a bare wall, so I will have to work on this as well before the guy comes out on Monday. The plan is to have again white cupboards. Cabinets will be gloss white, and the countertops will be engineered stone. This will be solid though. The cabins used to be this low, so this was the space from the bottom up, and it went around like that, and it's stopped from about here all the way up to the ceiling. This time the cabinets are gonna start from the ceiling and it's gonna end here, which means from here down we'll have space right around to work, and just, you know, the fridge is gonna come over here, and I'd like a wine rack over here all the way down. Well, obviously not wine in there. I love good oils, olive oils and stuff, so that's gonna go over there. Yeah, so that's the plan. Our cabinet maker gave amazing ideas based on what we want. He just further advised us on what to do. This is where our microwave used to be. He suggested we move it, keep it here, but move it a bit lower, somewhere there, for the kids and all that, you know, mommy no. And then I think we're gonna remove the top ones, I think so, but I know that the microwave is gonna be here. That's the main thing. Yeah, so yeah, let me get cracking. For now I need to remove I've removed all of these screws. I'm struggling with that one and that one over there. I absolutely hate this corner spaces. Nothing's ever happening in there. Stuff is always hidden behind there. I just don't like that. So what I'll do is I've removed most of these screws. I see this one's probably loose. Oh, not yet, but anyway. Oh, there's still screws there. Oh, I didn't even see that. There's a screw over there, everywhere, and this is where it's split, as you can see on top there. That's where I need to remove, because as you can see, this is actually a bit loose, but not entirely, because I have to still check where else these screws holding this thing together. And then I'll remove all of this bottom part. It's going to be some silver kick plates. Yeah, that's it for now.